In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Wix partner. If you've ever thought about diving into the world of website creation and partnering with a well-established platform, then this is a perfect opportunity for you. Wix offers a partner program that allows you as a designer or developer to tap into their resources, support and community to take your projects to the next level. To begin, the first step is to head over to the Wix Studio Partner Program webpage. It's your gateway to accessing all of the incredible benefits Wix provides to its partners. This page is your starting point, so it's crucial that you familiarize yourself with the information available here. To find the page, you can do a quick search for the Wix Partner Program, which should lead you directly to the Wix Studio's dedicated site. Once you're on the home page of the partner program, you'll want to look for the Apply Now button. This button is usually prominently displayed, designed to guide prospective partners smoothly through the process of signing up. When you click on Apply Now, you are taking the first major step towards joining the community of Wix partners. Now let's discuss why becoming a Wix partner is beneficial. Besides gaining access to exclusive resources meant to enhance your client projects, you'll also have the opportunity to become part of a vibrant community that includes some of the most experienced developers and designers in the industry. Being a part of this program not only elevates your professional credibility, but also provides you with ongoing support and updates straight from the source, Wix itself. After you've located and clicked on the Apply Now button, you'll be guided through a series of steps where you'll need to provide essential information about yourself or your business. It's important to ensure that the details you submit are accurate and up to date to facilitate a smooth application process. While it may seem straightforward, taking the time to carefully complete each section can significantly impact the success of your application. While you wait for feedback on your application, one tip is to explore the readily available materials on the Wix Studio partner page or even the broader Wix community forums. This will not only keep you informed about the latest in web development trends, but also help you better utilize the tools that will soon be at your disposal as a partner. So that's essentially your roadmap to becoming a Wix partner. Remember, the key to making the most of this program is to stay engaged with the Wix community and continuously leverage the resources they provide. Good luck with your application.